Hello guys, welcome to One True Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the ViFLY Strobe Platinum. This enables your drone to be visible at night, so when you're flying in the dark especially, you should be able to see your drone, and it's rated for about 3 miles, so you should be able to see it 3 miles away, and it's supposed to be really bright. So yeah, without further ado, we're going to unbox it and we're going to see the performance to see how bright this light is, see how far away we can see the light at, and I'm going to test it at night as well and during daytime. So yeah, I've got this from hobbyrc.co.uk, as you can see right here. You can get it from other stores like even Amazon. So this is the platinum one. There's an original one as well, but that one has micro USB, but this one has USB type C and it's much brighter. So people say this is brighter. So without further ado, let's open it. So it's got a nice box, as you can see. This is what it looks like. So we're going to go through the box. So first of all, we've got this USB type C cable over here. We've got the actual light over here, and we've got some, it's basically so you can attach it to your drone, as you can see here. And you see, you put this in your drone and you put one end on the ViFLY. You can press it down on here, and as you can see, it sticks on. If you want to remove it, just pull it off like this. Really good mounting system, so you can put it in the bottom of your drone. I'm going to show you that in a minute. Thank you for watching ViFLY. And then you've got the information over here. The small indicator will be on when it's charging, and it'll be off when it's fully charged. As you can see, it says you got 3 pieces of white, you got 1 red, 1 green and 1 blue. White should be the strongest light. It can be seen for 3+ miles, and it shows you how long it takes to charge. It lasts about 4 hours, and it shows you the size, so it's not that big, and it's only 6 grams, which is important for your drone. The less weight the strobe light is, the more flight time you can get from your drone, because it will use less battery. So yeah, it shows you the user manual over here. It shows you how to use it. It shows you how to power it on and off. So you long press it for 3 seconds to turn off or on. When it's on, you just short press the button to change the mode, and it basically just a cycle that you can change it to different various colors, and it remembers your last setting. So when you turn it off and you turn it back on, it remember your last setting. So without further ado, let's check out the actual light. This is how it comes, as you can see. So this is the battery, and these are the actual LEDs, and you've got a USB type C port. Charge it via this port. So without further ado, let's turn it on. We're going to see if this charge out of the box first. So you press it for 3 seconds. Okay, so it's on, and it's extremely bright. So this is strobe mode apparently. So yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. And if you press it again, then it's constantly on. It's flashing mode, and when you do this, that means it stays on. It's really bright, as you can see. Yeah, it's extremely bright. You can use it as a torch. It's insane. Then you press it again. Then you've got a red flash. And then you've got red normal flash. Then you've got red normal on. Then you've got green strobe. Then you've got green flash. Then you've got green always on. If you leave an always on, of course that's going to use more battery. Strobe mode is going to use the least battery. And then you just got blue always on. And then yes, the cycle goes on. And if you just want to turn it off, you just do that. And as you can see, it cycled for all the colors for a second before it turned off. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to mount it on your drone. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a scale over here, and I'm going to show you the exact weight. So obviously it states that it's 6 grams. We're going to put it right on here, and as you can see, it's showing exactly 6 grams. So it's accurate. And let's say I put this on there, will it contribute to the weight? It contributes a total of 8 grams to the drone. So it may use 8 grams if you use these. Alright, so what I'm going to do, as you can see, these things alone don't weigh anything. Literally, it weighs nothing. So if you leave this on your drone, it should not contribute to the weight at all. So even if you're not having a strobe light on your drone, it should still contribute to actually absolutely nothing. So it's going between 1 and 0 grams, but that's literally nothing. It contributes pretty much no weight to the drone. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the strobe light beneath the drone, because I think that's the best place to put it. What I want to do, I want to put it on now. So as you can see, I want it to be visible at the bottom so that you can see it when it's really high up, and when you're really far, you should be able to see it from the sides anyway. As you can see, you should still be able to see it properly. Or maybe I could put it this way. Some people may put it at the back, some people may put it at the top. But I don't see any reason to put it at the top. I think it's better for it to be visible at the bottom. I think it's better to have it on this side. As you can see, there's a little crevice over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the Velcro on there now. So as you can see, you just peel it off. I'm just going to peel it off. As you can see, it comes off. And I'm going to put it right over here. So as you can see, it's on. It may not be exactly centralized, but it shouldn't affect the strobe light at all. Then I'm going to get the other one. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to put it at the bottom of this. It doesn't matter where you put it, but I'm going to put it directly on here. I'm going to put it nice and firmly. And now you should easily be able to put this on. And as you can see, it's properly secure. Strobe light is on the drone. And yeah, we're going to do some night testing as well after this. So as you can see, I'm going to turn it back on now. If the drone is this way, as you can see, you can still see it really strong. If it's right above you, this is what you should be seeing. If it's coming back towards you, this is what you should be seeing. If it's this way, you should be seeing this as well. And if it's this way, you should still be able to see the light really powerfully. And of course, you can go through the various modes. So yeah, I'm going to turn it off now. And this Velcro shouldn't really interfere with your day flights, because all you've got to do is just put it away like so. Shouldn't interfere with the drone that much. One thing that I noticed, that since I put the Velcro on, I don't even need to put the rubber band in here anymore, because this usually moves around. But now I've got this on, this doesn't really move around, and this doesn't really move around anyway. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my strobe light on my DJI Mini 3 Pro. As you can see, it's really bright. I'm gonna put the phone down here. I'm gonna take off. So you can still see the light. So it's really visible during the daylight. It's a really powerful strobe light. It's 300 feet up. As you can see, it's flashing. So you can still see it. Going at like 300 feet, 400 feet. You can still see the strobe light. I can still see it about 1,000 feet now away. We're nearly at about 500 meters, as you can see on the screen. You can still see it. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera, but you could probably still see it on my... I can still see it, at least. That is really bright. It's the brightest thing in the sky. About 2,000 feet now. I'm not going to go that far, because I don't want the drone to go too far, but you can still clearly see it, which is really insane. It allows you to see the drone so far away. I can see it clearly. I can see the drone the whole time. Really insane. Really powerful strobe light. Also, you can see it. You could probably see it from much further if you could take it further. It looks like a plane. You can't even tell if it's a drone. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera properly, but you see it's a very powerful strobe light. You can see it very clearly. Alright, so after testing this ViFLY strobe light platinum, I can say that it's a really powerful strobe light. So I did a test during the day, and I tested it during the night or sunset. And obviously during the day, you can see it when the drone's straight above you or it's not that far. As soon as you go a bit far, like 1,000 feet away, the strobe light is not visible at all. But if you fly at night, I flew the drone 2,000 feet away, and I was still able to see the strobe light clearly. So I was able to see it clearly. The good thing about the strobe light, it's only 6 grams, and it's not even that expensive. It's quite cheap for the platinum one, and the platinum one's more brighter than the original one. As it said, it can be visible up to 3 miles away, which is actually insane. I could have definitely gone much further, and I still would have been able to see the drone clearly, even twice the distance, or more than twice. But if I went a bit further, then the camera wouldn't have picked it up anyway. But it's been tested before that it can go 3 miles, and it was just a test to see what it looks like in the sky. Obviously you can switch through different colors, and obviously if you look directly into the light while it's strobing away, it's so bright it almost blinds you, so try and avoid looking directly into the light. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video of me reviewing this ViFLY strobe light. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.